me, NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with 6 tips to prepare your skin for fall. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep watching. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe we are already in September. Fall is quickly approaching. Fall is my favorite time of year. Maybe it's because my birthday is in October. I'm a fall baby, but yes, I love the fall. Fall and winter, I love, especially fall. But anyway, I'm gonna jump on into it because I have some tips that will really help you step up your game as far as your skin. This is in no particular order at all, but I'm just gonna share some tips for you. The first one that I wanna talk about is exfoliating. Exfoliating your skin is so very important. It removes the dead layers of skin cells that just lay on top of your skin, and sometimes your skin looks really dull when you do not exfoliate. So it's very important to exfoliate and remove the dead layers of skin. I actually have been experimenting with glycolic acid. Is a type of exfoliant that exfoliates the dead skin over time. I will link a video up here and in the description box below, and I actually show what I do and how I use that as well. I'm 48 years old. I'll be 49 in October. So skincare is so very important to me. I have dry, mature skin, and so when winter, between fall and winter, my skin tends to get drier. So these are the things that I do to try to alleviate that dry skin. So that's number 1, exfoliate. Number 2, using serums. Serums are very important, especially hyaluronic acids. Vitamin C serums, hyaluronic acid, it actually helps promote hydration into your skin. It helps add hydration. I'm all about using serums. Vitamin C brightens the skin and make your skin look more vibrant. I will put my code if you want to check into some of the serums that I use from Go Pure. I love their serums. Serums are the quickest way to add active ingredients to your skin, okay? So I use serums all the time. As soon as I exfoliate and your skin has removed all that dead skin, that's the perfect time to apply any kind of serums to your skin. It really just absorbs it so quickly. So the next one that I want to bring, I think it's number 3, tip number 3, is to actually use SPF, a tinted moisturizer with SPF in it. That's what I like to use. You can use SPF on its own as well. I use a tinted moisturizer, and it usually has an SPF of 30 in it. It really protects your skin from the harmful rays. As we get older, we definitely do not want to do any damage to our skin, and the sun rays can damage and promote, you know, you'll see more age spots, and just textures of your skin is a little bit different, you know, just a lot of things. So protect your skin from the sun rays, and I definitely will put a video that I have done with the best moisturizer, affordable tinted moisturizers. I will link one down in the description box below as well. The next one is use gentle cleansers, facial cleansers for your skin. When you have dry, mature skin like I do, you do not want to use any kind of cleansers that will strip the oils from your skin. That's something that you just do not want. You want a cleanser that cleanses gently. I have a video as well that I recently did with the best cleansers for dry, mature skin. Again, I will link it up here or in the description box below. But yeah, just take a look at that. There are some really great cleansers that are for dry, mature, sensitive skin. Even if you do not have mature skin, it's just great cleansers for dry skin in general, okay? The next one is moisturize. Moisturize, moisturize. I love to moisturize my skin. I like to use a good hydrating moisturizer. Pond's is a great moisturizer. It's very affordable. I use it to hydrate my skin, along with other moisturizers that I use. Again, I do have a video with the best moisturizers for dry skin, and I will link in the description box as well. everything that I'm speaking about, if I have a video on it, I would definitely link it in the description box below. That way you can take a look at some of the moisturizers and decide which one that you think is best for you. NeeCJae has some good hydrating moisturizer for dry skin. I love their moisturizers. Just I have a few moisturizers that I actually use in the wintertime, in the summertime, fall, you know, so definitely find a good hydrating moisturizer for your skin. That's very important, especially during the fall and the cooler months, you know. So you really want to go ahead and try to use that and get it prepared for these cooler months. Last but not least, I always talk about drinking water. Water is very important, not only for our body, it's good for our skin, our hair, just our overall health. So I try to drink at least 6 to 8 cups of water a day. I sometimes fall short and do at least 6 bottles, you know, of water, sometimes 4. As long as I'm hydrating my skin, you know, hydrating my body, and also a proper diet. You know, I eat more green leafy vegetables and just have a really good diet that really contributes to your skin. I see a big difference in my skin when I'm hydrating my skin, when I'm drinking water and I'm eating more leafy greens and things like that. You know, that's really, really great for your body and for your skin, hair, and nails as well, okay? So I just really wanted to come to you just to share a little bit of these tips that I usually do to prepare my skin for fall. Like I said, fall is my favorite time of year. Also winter, I love winter as well, but fall, I love fall. But sometimes the cooler months are not really good for dry, mature skin. So really, really start right now preparing your skin for the cooler months. I'm telling you, it will really help, and you'll really be thankful that you started early. Thank you so very much for tuning in. As always, I see I have some new subscribers. So welcome, you are now part of the NeeCJae family. And my oldies and goodies, thank you so very much. You know who you are that continue to watch my video each and every time I upload. I greatly, greatly appreciate it, okay? Everything that I spoke about will be in the description box below. If there's videos, my link and my code to the Serums will be in the description box below as well, okay? So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.